Energy is everything. It propels us, vitalizes our lives, makes our world turn. Energy drives progress, and progress is our business. The progress of our customers, the problem solvers, and innovators. Of our people, and the essential technologies they deliver. Of the everyday lives we touch, and the planet we all share. Today, we are the industry leader in smart energy storage solutions, experts in battery applications and the systems that rely on them, and pioneer of the most efficient circular economy that exists. Tomorrow, we'll evolve with our customers in a marketplace that's expanding. We are Clarios, and the road ahead is clear. We are here to power progress by owning the high ground and taking the long view, by being an invaluable business partner globally, and by forever seeking the better solution, powering today into tomorrow.